Here's how to convert to AAC audio. And so if you need that AAC audio file type and you've got other audio files, like an MP3, we can just click and drag it into this offline file converter that I created called ConvertSave. You can actually also do video as well. So we go to this MP4 folder and select some MP4s, drag some video in. So I got MP3, MP4. We're going to select our output. And how about AAC? Hit convert and it saves. Do you know how we came up with the name ConvertSave? It saves right next to the original files that started this whole thing. So that's how you can convert to AAC. Also, this is an image converter as well. So image, audio, video. I basically told my brother, who's a developer, we got to create this thing and I want it to work offline because I'm sick of uploading my files to weird, sketchy websites to do these conversions. So it's an offline file converter for Mac and Windows. Check it out at the link in the description down below, or just go to convertsave.com. I appreciate your guys' support. Hopefully you find this as a great utility. We're going to keep adding features to it over time, and I'll see you in the next one.